Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video I want to show you my everyday makeup routine, kind of like the basic steps that I do to do my everyday makeup. There are some like skincare steps that I also follow whenever I'm doing my makeup. This is a kind of like no makeup kind of style. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I try to not apply too much product whenever I'm doing my everyday makeup, and it also depends kind of on my mood and whatever I have to do on that day. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not following me on my social media yet, I will give you all the links down below so you can check them out. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I usually start with this eye pads or these eye gels before doing my makeup. I usually leave them for like 5 to 10 minutes depending on how much time I have. But yeah, I like leaving this, especially if I had a rough night or if I woke up too early for the gym. I like to treat my skin just a little bit, and obviously I also moisturize and add some sunscreen to my skin right after getting out of the shower. So actually, while I still have this on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, since those are super easy and something I can do while I wait on these eye gels. I just try to fill in any holes that I might have on my eyebrows and kind of like shade them up. I know my eyebrows don't need that much, but I just like to define them just a little bit more. And I also brush them. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, the brow definer, and I also like to apply a brow gel. This is from St. Luke's, and it came with my BoxyCharm box. I like to use this kind of brow gel so that everything stays in place and they don't look crazy throughout the day. And I think it's time to remove this babies right here. And I like to massage my face with anything that I have left. I like applying the illuminating primer from Rare Beauty. If you have a dewy type of skin, then I wouldn't recommend this much, but I feel like it does hydrate my skin a little bit, so I like using it. And I used to have combination skin, more oily, but now I feel like it's been getting a lot better, and I like using these kind of primers to hydrate and just make my skin look healthy and very nice. Now I like applying some concealer. I'm gonna apply the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer on the shade Medium 105N, and I'm also blending it with this beauty sponge, which, by the way, I like wetting my beauty sponge with the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist from ColourPop. I don't use just regular water. I just like spraying this, and then I apply my concealer. Once that is done, I'm applying some foundation. Lately, I've been using the MAC foundation. This is the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. It is full coverage, or you can actually like build it to be full coverage, which I really like, especially when I'm not having really nice skin days. So yeah, you kind of just dip it on your makeup and then apply it and blend it in. Don't forget to also bring your foundation to your neck so that you have a nice blend and it doesn't look like you're just having like a mask or something weird like that. Once everything's blended in, I do like to apply some contouring, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchstick and just like applying it here. This is like a cream consistency, and I think it's super easy to blend. Again, I take my beauty sponge and I spray some of this mist if I need to. And with whatever it's left in my beauty sponge, I blend it on my nose. Now, sometimes I like using eyeliner, but today I'm not feeling it that much, so I'm just gonna apply mascara. And I first go with this lash primer from Tarte. And then I apply this Lengthening Mascara. This is from the brand Item Lash Smack. I got this on my BoxyCharm as well. This was for the month of April, and honestly, like, it does help a lot. This is how the wand looks like. It's very tiny, but it does make your lashes look a lot more longer. I mean, you can see the difference there right away. I always like to do 2 coats of mascara. This is what my lashes look like after 2 coats. And now I'm gonna apply some little stars. I'm so obsessed with doing this kind of things. I'm just taking some tweezers and apply the stars. Now that is done, I can apply some blush. I'm using the California blush. This is the travel version, but honestly it works just the same way. And to finish everything up, I'm using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is the Fussy Gloss Bomb. And finally, to set this everything up and also adding some kind of glow, I'm using the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist from Tatcha. Feels so good and it's also very refreshing. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys like it. Everyday makeup routine kind of changed a little bit depending on what I have to do on that day and how I'm feeling, like what my mood is in. So I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you on more of the next ones. Bye.